What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play co-op in Madden NFL 26. There are a few different co-op modes available. If you wanna play couch co-op, head into quick play, then open play now. As long as you have more than one controller connected, you'll be able to choose sides, pick your teams and play together locally. If you prefer online co-op, you can do that too. Go back to the main menu and choose online H2H, that's online head-to-head. From there, you can invite your friend and play a standard online match together. You also have the franchise mode, which supports full online multiplayer. Open franchise, create new league and choose to play online. Once the league is created, you can invite your friends so all of you can play in the same franchise. And finally, there's ultimate team. After you enter MUT, go into the play section and choose play a friend. From there, you can set up a match using your ultimate team lineup and play directly against your friend. And that's all the ways you can play co-op in Madden NFL 26. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.